What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. I'm sorry that I ain't drop one on Sunday, but I'm here to drop one on Wednesday as a filler because my package didn't come in on time. So it's coming in tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and today is Tuesday. So I'm just giving y'all a filler video with some human made shit. Just sit down and talk. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, hit that like button. And to my subscribers, my new subscribers, and my already like subscribers that been around, yo, y'all been killing it. Like, just hit me up on IG, dropping comments down in the comment section below, giving y'all thoughts and just giving feedback to my videos. Thank y'all, I really appreciate it. One of my subscribers, like two of my subscribers, really help. Like, we've been chopping it up for a minute. One had just resold some stuff from Human Made that he got. He resold his hat for like a good flip, because the hats normally go for like 55, and he got a damn good flip on the hat. That had me thinking, shit, I sell my hat? But anyway, and the other homie, he put me onto another reseller that's like really big in a bait, Human Made. And yeah, just hit me up on IG if y'all want to chop it up. I'll chop it up. But today's video gonna be about me talking about Louis Vuitton and Human Made. And I'm gonna just let y'all know right now, I'm not the biggest guy when it comes to high fashion and stuff like that. So if I say something wrong, I'm sorry. I'm a casual, like basic, simple things, but I'm not really into the designer stuff like that. But I really like this collaboration that Louis Vuitton and Human Made had done. So without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so the first piece that I want to talk about is the Louis Vuitton bag. Fire. The count bag is dope. I think it's really dope, because normally I always see people with the all over print with the like LV logo with the monograms all over it, but I like the way they did this one because they had like a dripping effect just with the LV logo with the monograms on it, with another pattern behind it to help contrast the two patterns that they had going on within the silhouette of the bag, I guess, within the bag. And I just thought it was dope. I'll just say this: if I ever had a chance to, like, had the money to just buy it and not have to worry about how much it costs, this would be a bag that I would buy. But the thing is, the only way I would wear it is if I'm like going out of town, going on a business trip, or just going to meet up with somebody, like just having some business. I would have this bag, just have my laptop, charger, phone, anything that I need to have with me, like on go. So this would be a bag that I just wear to somewhere that's important, but I just won't be the type of person that goes to the mall and just wear this bag because it's just kind of corny and lame. So if I'm gonna wear it, it gotta be for a good reason. And yeah, that's one of my pieces that I like. So this is not gonna be in a particular order on the ranking on how like the best from the worst that I like. It's just the items that I like. So for the second item, let's get into it. All right, so the second item would be the Louis Vuitton Human Made wallet. I think this wallet is really dope. It has the same pattern as the Louis Vuitton camp backpack, and I just like the pattern on it. Also, the little turtle helps like make it pop a little bit, give a little bit of like an artsy look to it. I would treat this the same way as I would treat the bag. I wouldn't use this wallet every single day. I say like this: you know how women like change their purses out depending on where they're going, how they're feeling, and stuff like that. That's how I would treat this wallet. This would not be a wallet that I would use every single day. It'd just be like a special occasion type wallet. If I'm going to a networking event, pull out a business card, people are like, oh, okay, he got some I guess style and flair to him and shit like that. Yeah, that'd be probably somewhere I wear it, or yeah, just somewhere important. If it's not an important place for me to be, I won't use that wallet. Only wallet that I would use, like my day-to-day wallet, is this wallet right here. My homie Millie put me on to this, and I bought this like about a month ago, and this wallet is perfect. The only thing you just do is just boop, pull that switch on the side and pop up. But yeah, this is my day-to-day wallet, so I would use that Louis Vuitton wallet if I ever had a chance to get it. I just use it as like a networking, going somewhere important type wallet. So it would not be an everyday wallet because I wouldn't want to wear the hell out of it and just lose like the quality. So that wallet would be the one that I would like to get if I ever had a chance to get it. So that's my number 2 item. So let's go to my number 3. So my number 3, I don't know what's the name of this bag, but I'm just call it the carry-on bag. Reason I said the carry-on bag because it reminds me of like going to the airport. People always had their carry-on bags, just drop it on top. So this would really be an item that I would pick up if I'm going like on a day trip, or it's gonna be like just a carry-on bag that I'm gonna have. I would take this with me only on like important, like if I'm going on a business trip or just going out of town somewhere. This would be a bag that I would normally probably store some of my like my toiletries and stuff in it, and not have it in my actual suitcase. So toiletries, but hey, it is what it is, dog. But I think this bag really dope. It's a dope piece, like an eye-catching piece, because it's different than what you would normally see with LV. Because again, if you see a normal LV bag, it's just gonna have LV all over it with the monograms, and I just think it's kind of basic and boring. But with this, I think it's dope as hell, and plus it had a little duck on the side. side, like a little keychain duck. I think that's like a nice little hit and pop to it. So this would be a bag I wouldn't mind copying if I ever had the money to buy it. So that's my number 3. Yes, that's my number 3 item. So let's go to number 4. All right, so my number 4 item is a little bit different. It's a little bit different. It's not nothing that you can wear. It's more of an accessory / novelty item. That would be the duck figurine, just like the other duck that I had in my past video. But this one is a little bit different. And the thing I like about this one is it has like LV and it just say made. So I guess it's Louis Vuitton made, and I just like how that sounds. And plus, if you look at it even more, it doesn't have that matte finish as the other duck figurines. It has a glossy finish, and I think that's a little bit more eye-catching and eye-popping when you walk in somebody's house or wherever you go. And I think this would be like a dope piece just to put like on your countertop or a coffee table or something like that in the living room. I think it'd be a dope piece. Have like 2 of them, have like on opposite ends of the table of each other, and just have them sitting there. I think that'd be dope to have. And yeah, I already know this costs an arm and a leg, so it is what it is. But I'll say this, I ain't gonna cap, I ain't gonna lie. If I can find it, a replica of this, I will buy it. I don't care if it's not real. I don't care. I think it's a dope piece, and I think it's just something dope to look at to have in your house as a display piece. Like if it's a replica, it is a replica. If I gotta pay $50 for it, like versus like $800, then I'm paying that $50. I don't care. So I just take that hit. People are like, oh, that's fake. So I don't care. Well, it don't matter to me. It look good, don't it? So that's my number 4. I think it looked clean and dope. I hope they come out with more of these. I wish I would have caught it when they did drop it, because if it was, I don't know how much the original price is, but if it was like a reasonable price, I probably would have caught it. So that's my number 4. So let's go to my number 5. All right. So number 5 is something I would not wear, but it'd be something that I would like to, if I was able to gift it to somebody, say like a girlfriend or something. Like say if I had like a serious girlfriend, this would be an item that I would give her. Reason being is just different and out there. You probably won't see many people wearing this kind of like, I guess, man purse. I don't know, what would you call it, unisex type purse, but it ain't for me, because the only thing I need is a wallet, phone, and keys, and that's it. And that's all I carry on me every day. I don't need a little purse around me, and that's just not me. But yeah, I wouldn't mind buying this for a girl that I'm dating, like seriously dating. When I say serious, I mean serious. Seriously dating. So if you ain't serious, I would not be buying it for you if we ever get to that point. And if I had the money, you already know. But anyway, yeah, this is a dope ass piece that I think is dope as hell. Again, I just like how it had the color block on it with the patterns, with the dripping LV with the monogram logos. I think that's really dope. Break it up again. The contrast of the patterns. So these are the 5 pieces that I really like. There are others that I really like too, but these are the 5 ones that I like the most. There's a scarf that I seen too, was really dope. It had like the polar bear on it, and that was one of the pieces I really like. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. I know it's different than my previous videos, but you gotta wait for Sunday for the unboxing. I really appreciate everybody that's been subscribing and liking and having conversations outside of YouTube and hit me up on IG. Thank y'all. Trust me, I'm not one of these YouTubers that think they're too good to talk, even though I'm not that big, but still. Close to 200 subs, thanks to y'all. I think right now as recording, I'm like 7 away, so I'm at 193. And it's been a year. It'll be a year in August, the 27th. Because over the day I got fired from my job and I started it. So the 27th to 28th, that's when I first started. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. I really appreciate everybody stopping by, showing support and everything like that. I really appreciate it. I got so much more stuff to bring to y'all that's out there and different compared to all the other clothing YouTubers. With that being said, I'm out. Peace.